Hey there, everybody. It's Paul Taplett from Liongard. I'm excited to have you here today for our Power BI YouTube video series. Today, this series is going to go through everything you need to know on how to use Liongard's Power BI integration. We're going to walk you through how to use Liongard's custom connector, how to set up Power BI desktop and pull the data into Power BI, how to build and visualize a report, how to publish the report, and then also how to refresh that report on a scheduled basis. So the purpose of this video series is kind of give you everything you're going to need to know to get up and running to use our Power BI integration. A few things to know before we start on what you're going to need. We will be showing you how to download Power BI Desktop. That will be covered in the first video. Aside from that, you are going to need a Liongard instance to log in with in order to work along with me. Of course, you're welcome to just, if you do not have a Liongard instance, you're more than welcome to watch and just follow the steps and follow along. But if you are going to be working together with me, you, of course, will need a Liongard instance. And more importantly, in that Liongard instance is we're going to be working with the Internet Domain DNS Inspector. This is probably one of our most common, popular inspectors that are deployed for across everybody. So chances are you probably already have some of these, but if not, please note that if you want to go ahead and start deploying our Internet Domain DNS inspectors for a few of your customers, that'd be a great thing to do before you get started. As always, docs.liongard.com is our documentation site to show you everything to get started, and we will be referencing this throughout the video series. So, hope you enjoy it. Thank you for joining, and we're looking forward to getting you through this series. All right, let's move over to the first video.